This is the appetizer I make that always goes first at parties. It's pizza muffins. So I take a cup of flour and a teaspoon of baking soda, an egg, a cup of milk, boing, about 1/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, about a cup of mozzarella cheese, shredded. Now I always use whole milk mozzarella cheese because it just adds like a delicious mouthfeel to the pizza muffins. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning, which is great because it has parsley in it and it has oregano and thyme and basil. So that's a great combination and a great shortcut. And then I'll just stir this up. And you stir it until it's just blended. And then I'll put in about 1/2 cup of pepperoni pieces. Now this is the great thing. You don't have to put in pepperoni pieces. You can put in, say, sausage, or you can put in chopped up roasted vegetables if you like that, or you can just leave it as cheese. Now I'm taking a muffin tin. Now you can also use a mini muffin tin to make these appetizers. Spray your pan with non-stick cooking spray. Now you want to fill your muffin tins with the mixture. Now here's a tip. Whenever I'm making muffins, I always leave one empty so it's easy to grasp as I'm taking it out of the oven. Just gonna put extra pepperoni on top. Okay, into the oven at about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, there you go. The perfect appetizer, pizza muffins. They'll be the first thing to go.